Okay, so here's the video to show you how to get the link of your Word document attached to your assignment. So I'm actually logged in as Ivy right now, and when I click on the assignment, what is matter, passage and text-based questions, here I can see my passage, I can access the questions, and remember I showed you in the last video how to create the Word document in Office 365, okay? So now I'm actually ready to add my work. So here where it says My Work, notice this paperclip and it says Add Work, so I'm going to click here. And then I have options. I can upload it from my OneDrive, I can add a new file, that I would create something right here actually. So you don't even have to go through the steps of putting it into your cloud. You could just click here where it says Word document and do it that way. But I've already shown you how to do the link, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. So when you were in your Office 365, remember that we copied a link to the Word document. So you had clicked share for this What is Matter assignment. We had clicked share and we had copied the link, right? So now that I have that link copied, I can paste it. Actually, I think I need to do it again. I've pasted something else since then. So bear with me. I'm going to say copy link. It's copied, and now over here, I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to call it What is Matter. That's my text to display, and I attach it. So now, when I say turn in, I love the little graphics that happen. So now that I've turned it in, when my teacher grades it, she can click on What is Matter and it's going to take me right to that Word document. But remember that I had also just shown you that you can edit the document right from there if you click Add, okay? So multiple ways you can answer these questions, but they definitely need to be typed, please, and not handwritten. It's too hard for me to read when you just send me a picture of what you've done, okay? If you have questions, please reach out. Remember, this is due end of class tomorrow, end of science class tomorrow, okay? All right, have a great afternoon. Bye.